Okay, exercise 4E. This one here, we're going to be making some lines. Actually, we're going to make one line, and then we'll offset it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then we'll just draw a line that goes kind of like a zigzag using our O-snap endpoints. Okay, so again, we're going to make one line at the top, and then we're going to offset it 5 times. So we have a total of 6 horizontal lines, and then we'll do a zigzag to continue the drawing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the drawing. Notice though that they do not give us the units or the drawing limits. Okay, so when we want to do that, here's what we do to get a default setting for our units and our drawing limits. So let's go back to the AutoCAD. That's the previous drawing that we did. Okay, I'll turn on my grids for just a sec. So for our units, we want to go Format, Units, and then right now it's to 2 decimal places. I want to make sure it's set to 3 decimal places. That's the default setting we're going to use when they don't give us the units to use. So we're going to use decimal and 3 decimal places. Next, we're going to go Format, Drawing Limits. It's always going to be 0, 0 in the lower left hand corner. Hit Enter. And the upper right hand corner, we need to make that 17, 11. So again, we want to make sure we use 17, 11 when they don't give us the drawing limits in the book. Whenever you change your drawing limits, remember to always go Z enter, A enter to resize your paper. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw one single line at the very top. And notice I have, or I actually need to have my ortho on so I can draw a nice straight one. Okay. And then now I'm going to have to offset this one 5 times down below. But I need to make sure I offset them so they stay on this grid area. So let's just see. Maybe I can go Modify, Offset, or the Offset button. Or you can also go O, Enter. So we'll go Modify, Offset, and it's asking me a distance I want to offset it. Let's just try a distance of 1.5. Enter. I'm going to click on the line. I'm going to click below it, and that looks like a good number to use for offset. So I need to have 5, total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's what I want. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my grid and go Z enter A enter so I can see it a little bit better. The O-snap you're learning to use on this one, or we're actually using, is endpoint. So we need to be seeing a square. Click OK. Click on line and click on your, well, it's not popping up, so let's take a look. It needs to be pushed in. Notice that if you're up here and you want to have that O-snap, it's not on. A good look is to just make sure it's pushed in. Okay, so I didn't get it selected. So click OK, and notice how it's selected now. Now there it is, it pops up. Okay, I need to bring that line over here, so what's preventing me from doing that is my O-snap, or actually my ortho. So take off that ortho. Now I can continue over here and do my zigzag. Good. End the line, and then let's go ahead and do another zigzag coming back up. So I'm going to go back up this way. Like this. Over here, and then back up. Okay, so double check to go Z enter A enter, and I did that, and that's what it is when you're done.